Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my video. So in this video, you spend your days with us, okay? Because this is the stew that I make yesterday. So this is what I normally do whenever I cook my food or my stew. I normally like the shit them. I'll just put them inside the fridge, okay, or freezer, to store the food, because sometimes when you too leave your food for mostly soup or stew for your fridge, before you know, the soup will dey change taste, so that's why I just like to dey do am like this. I put them in freezer. So my son wants to make a meat pie for us today, so he is the chef of today, so I have teaching on how to make a meat pie before, you know. So today he just decided to take over my kitchen, So I'm still helping him more. I'm still assisting him. So this is how I do my meat pie. Okay. So I just use this flour for thickener, and when you want, you can also still add a bit of water to it, but as for me, I don't want to add any water to it. Okay, so it's time to check if our dough is okay. It's very soft. I make it soft, because my children love it when it's soft like that, So at this point I said, okay, make I just start to dey use my this pizza cutter to dey cut the dough, so I like to dey cut everything down, so that if I dey wrap am, if I dey roll am, so that e go dey easy for me to roll. So this is how I do my pizza. Sorry, this is how I do my meat pie. I am not here to teach you on how to do yours. So at this rolling point now, I just decided to help my son to roll it and also fill it, because sometimes when he's doing it, he doesn't know how to use this stuff to do it, so I gotta help him, So let me know if your 13 years old is making a meat pie. Sometimes my son always like cooking, I am trying to teach him on how to cook, so if your child is 13 years, it's good for you to teach him or her how to do something in the house, because I've teach my son and he's trying his best, I will not say he dey do am perfectly, but he's still learning, so that's it, guys. So this is how we do this meat pie. Could you believe say this meat pie no go last us for like 1 week, let's say 6 days or 5 days, before that 5 days, before you know, my children will just finish this meat pie. I know say all of us dey eat am with dem sha. So that's it, guys. So please help us to share this video. So the video of today is going to be how Christopher make our meat pie. Okay, so this is the last one. It's just still helping me to do one or two things in the kitchen. I said, okay, let me just help you to roll it and do the rest things, So guys, stay tuned and watch this video. And this is how I do. I have to use a fork to touch the meat pie. Okay, we need that that dot in it, and after I finish using this spoon or fork to do it, I will come apply that yolk when I remove earlier, Sorry, I did not show you guys how I mix my flour and everything that I add. I did not show it to you guys because I don't want the video to be too long. It's my husband that helped us to mix it, So that's why you didn't see the beginning of the video. Please help us to share this video. Thank you. Please help Christopher to share this video, because this video is made by Christopher. So it's time to put it inside the oven. We turn our oven to 180. So at this point, our meat pie is ready. Stay tuned and watch this video. So guys, our meat pie is ready. So this is it. It's very hot. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video, and bye.